Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use referral code on Binance. Get your Binance referral link easily. So let's get started. So here we are on Binance app in our phone, and from here what we're going to do is that we're going to tap on the Binance icon on the top left of our screen, and then from here you should be seeing the referral button on the right side of your screen, so you want to tap on that. And then from here, you can see your referral code in Binance. So as you can see right here, we have the light referral and the standard referral right here. So you can choose between these two. So in this tutorial, we'll just go for the light referral first. And then from here, you can share your referral link with your friends, and you can get your friends to sign up and deposit more than $50. That is a requirement, and in return you would receive 100 USD trading fee rebate voucher each. So this is what you will get for this process right here in the light referral program. And you have your referral ID right here and the referral link that you can use to invite your friends and other people. So this is how you do it, and you can view the rules right here. Make sure that you understand this, because this is very important in order for you to make sure that all of your invites or referrals are counted and valid. So as you can see, referees must accumulatively deposit more than $50 within 14 days of registration. Both referrer and referee will be rewarded with 100 USD trading fee rebate voucher each, which is this process right here. So that is it basically for the light referral. And for the standard one, this is a little bit more complex. So right here you can see the rules. So you want to view the referral rules and make sure that you understand all of this. So make sure to read it. And then the next thing is you have your total bonus and your ranking here. And then you have the default referral. So these are basically your referral templates. So you can tap on that. And then basically you can tap on add new referral. So these are referral templates right here. So you can note right here. So let's say tutorial. And then you can set the commission ratio. So you can go for set this into maybe 5%. So as you can see, mine is 15%, and of my friend or your referral or the one that you invited would only get 5%. But if you increase this to 10, you would both get 10%, and so on right here. And the equivalent total of that would basically be 40%. So the highest that I can go is basically just a 10%. So Binance less than 500 BNB cannot apply for commissions kickback of corresponding rate. So that is basically how you do it. And then you can tap on save so that you would have this template, or you could just set this as default referral so that this is the one that you will be using. So tap on save, and then you should be seeing it right here. So let's just wait for it. And then as you can see right here, we have our tutorial referral template right here. So my friend would get 10%, and I would also get 10% compared to the old one, which is only 20% for me, and my friend would get nothing. So that is basically it on the templates right here. So you have your referral ID and referral link. So this is what you would need to share in order for you to get your friend to sign up using your link, and then you would receive the commission. And you can also tap on the advanced referral settings right here, and you would see your referral IDs and so on. So this is basically how you can do it, on how you can use referral code on Binance. Get your Binance referral link easily. Thank you for watching.